Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix your Shopify speed score. So let's get started. First of all, you have to sign into your Shopify account and then to tell you that speed matters in Shopify store. So to boost and speed up your store, you have to delete the unused apps. So try to install apps which are not in use for a long time to make space for your new apps and also to speed up the site. So it is must that whenever you uninstall the app from the website, you also have to delete the code from theme.liquid to properly delete all the uh, extra cache and everything, right? So try to go for free themes in the Shopify. They are lesser in size and easy to download as well. Many times we are required to download a big size image for the website, which also slows down the speed because it takes a larger space. So try to download a normal or smaller size images or to compress them by using different compression apps from Shopify App Store. So these are the few tips and tricks due to which you will be able to fix your Shopify speed score. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.